Welcome to maidcv.com. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Maria Victoria Corazon Ramos,
How old are you?
42,
You're from?
from Philippines,
Okay. Are you single or married?
married.
Okay. Do you have children?
Yes, I have 3 sons.
3 sons. Where
Yes.
are they now?
They are in the Philippines.
In Philippines. And who's taking care of them?
My husband, mother.
Your husband and your mother. Okay.
Yeah.
When would you be able to start working?
Maybe because I finished my visa May, maybe June or July because I want to go vacation.
You have to exit the Philippines.
Yes.
Okay. So do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, I have relatives here.
Okay. So please describe your present job.
My present jobs here,
Yeah.
I'm cleaning, I'm washing clothes, and I'm ironing.
Ironing. Do
Yeah.
they have children, your employer?
Yeah, they have children, but there is nanny.
You're not in charge of them. So
No.
you're an all-around housemaid. Okay. So do
Yeah.
you cook for them also?
No,
No.
there
Okay.
is cook.
There's a cook.
Yeah.
So what do you like most about your present job? What do you
I like
enjoy
that.
doing in your present job?
I like also my present job, but only my salary is my problem.
Your salary is your problem.
Yeah, but they are good also.
They are very good.
Yeah, they are very good. Only my salary because I'm 6 years here working for them.
Okay. So, describe in details how do you perform your task for each location in the house.
And our
For
house
example,
have
how are
two.
you going to clean the toilet?
Yeah, toilet, bathroom, this bed.
Toilet. How are you going to clean it? The bathroom and the toilet.
We put this Jeff,
Mm-hmm.
we brush,
Mm-hmm.
and then we mop,
Okay.
and then we put Dettol.
Dettol. Okay. How about the bedroom? How are you going to clean the bedroom?
The bedroom we fix first. I remove this bed sheet. I arrange, and then this pillow, and this I make this bed sheet have design.
Okay. So, what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around? What are you going to do?
I call my madam if my madam not tell me something about coming this delivery because sometimes my madam tell me if have deliveries.
If they're expecting.
Yeah,
Okay.
if like this. If not, I call first my madam.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
I know little bit.
Just a little. Okay.
Yeah.
But are you willing to learn how to cook, for example?
Yeah, I'm willing.
You're willing to learn.
Yeah, no
Okay.
problem.
So, what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself.
I'm honest. I'm hardworking.
Okay.
Everything I
Honest.
know for cleaning, for housemaid, and serve my madam,
Okay.
myself, even the children.
Okay, you're honest and hardworking. So
Yeah.
please give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
My future employer, maybe they see that I'm hardworking and honest, and also I'm good for all their children.
Okay. Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from
Okay.
maidcv.com.